5-year-old Ahan Modi from Hadapsar, Pune, has created a world record with his extraordinary memory skills. His remarkable achievement has earned widespread appreciation, and his grandparents have proudly congratulated and applauded him for this incredible success. Ahan set the world record by correctly identifying the national flags of 197 countries in just 2 minutes and 41 seconds.
Malawi, Jamaica, Togo, Poland, Norway, Fiji, Cameroon, Vanuatu, Benin, Cape Verde, El Salvador, Croatia, Botswana, Ecuador, Guinea-Bissau, Ukraine, Lebanon, Kiribati, Switzerland.
Beyond recognizing the flags, he can also accurately name the continent each country belongs to, identify its capital city, and pinpoint its location on the world map. His outstanding achievement has been recognized by the Influencer Book of World Records, India Book of Records, World Book of Records, London, and the International Book of Records. Ahan is an upper KG student at Chhatrabhuj Narsi School in Hadapsar. In recognition of his exceptional talent, the school has also recommended his name for the Prime Minister's National Child Award. Expressing their joy and pride over Ahan's extraordinary accomplishment, his grandparents said, "We are extremely proud of our grandson. His achievement has brought immense happiness to our family, and we hope he continues to reach even greater milestones in the future."
Hello everyone, myself Bhavna, mom of Ahan Modi. I feel very proud to see Ahan having interest in the flags and world charts and map. It takes me immense pleasure that to see that he has a very good graphical memory, and he takes this as a learning in extracurricular activities from his daily routine of school life.
They should learn every day. You should not pressurize the kids. Whatever interest they have, in whatever field they have interest, they should carry it forward. Ahan had interest in flags, and that's where we encouraged him, and we took it to the next step. So this started as a small game activity, where he started recognizing the country flags, and based out of his own curiosity, he started asking about more and more about the countries and flags. And at that moment we realized that he has inclination towards knowing more and more countries, to knowing more and more flags, and there we encouraged him, and we brought him the flashcards of all the countries, and it really helped him to know all the countries and its flags.
तो पूर्ण जगातल्या भाज्यांची, व्हेजिटेबल्सची आणि फ्रुट्सची नावं सांगत होता.
थोडक्यात सांगायचं म्हणजे हा 4 लहान मुलांसारखं अजिबात नाही आहे. ह्याची आवडी निवडी, हा खेळतो, सगळं एकदम वेगळं आहे. स्वतःला बरोबर रमवून घेतो हे सगळे झेंडे.
आणि हे त्याला कोणी शिकवलं नाही. मेन कोणी पाठ करून घेतलं नाही, कोणी शिकवलं नाही. आणि 197 देशाचे झेंडे असे दाखवले तरी मला नाही वाटत कोणाचे असे पाठ होतील जे 2 मिनिटात पटपट न विचार करता सांगतो.
When we came to know about his talent, so first impression is कि it is normally told by every scientist also कि IQ of any child normally goes when he attains the age of 6 or 7. After that, IQ level will never change. So we are proud that he is a prodigy for us. He is a child prodigy. So that is a natural gift, what I feel. So we should promote him. That's all.
एवढ्या लहान वयामध्ये पण तो इतका म्हणजे मला वेगळा वाटला सगळ्या मुलांपेक्षा. कारण लहान मुलं साधारणपणे खेळ खेळतात वगैरे, हे काय करतात, पण हा छान एक लाईनशीर भाज्या मांडून फ्रुट्स मांडून सगळ्यांची नावं सांगत होता. हे खरंच खूप म्हणजे टॅलेंट मला वाटलं. त्यावेळेस मला वाटलं की हा मुलगा खूप असं वेगळं काहीतरी करून दाखवणार आहे आणि खरंच तो आता करतो आहे. मला तर खूप अभिमान आहे की एवढ्या छोट्या वयात तो आता आपल्या देशासाठी पण देशाचं पण नाव रोशन करण्यासाठी रेकॉर्ड करण्यासाठी पण प्रयत्न करत आहे.